Today, I'm going to show you how to make an easy and simple kelp farm. To start, we're going to go ahead and dig out 5 blocks across with 2 blocks in the front. You're going to place your double chest here, a hopper going into that, and then hoppers going into that hopper. Next, you're going to want to go 3 blocks back from the hoppers, place 5 blocks, place 5 pistons on top of those, place 5 observers on top of the pistons facing forwards, and note blocks on the back of the pistons with your building block on top of the note blocks. Next, go ahead and build the main box that you're going to keep this farm in. Making sure that it is 5 blocks tall, but do not put a roof on just yet. Now you're going to place water on the block above your observers, and then place kelp so it starts growing. Now you can go ahead and build your roof. And there you go, you have now made yourself a kelp farm.